everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today it's weekend again and we are in Changdeokgung Palace. Okay, so we just entered from, of course, the entrance. We took English brochure for the map and yeah, we scanned our tickets and we're inside now. We're inside the palace. Hello.
어찌 하오리까? 저들을 모조리 찾아내 죽이겠다 약조하게. 전하의 광증이 도진 것 같소. 서두르게 내가 진짜 미쳐버리기 전에
아버지를 구명해 주십시오.
조선!
이놈! 제대로 놀지 못하겠느냐? 광대 왕이 되다. TVN 왕이 된 남자 1월 7일 첫 방송.
The most unique Korean palace built in harmony with the landscape, the inner and outer yards. Let us take a look at a true Korean beauty. Changdeokgung was constructed in 1405 as a secondary palace of the Joseon dynasty. After its destruction during the Japanese invasion, it was rebuilt in 1610 and served as the main palace for about 270 years. Injeongjeon Hall is the throne hall, which was used for holding the most formal of state events such as audiences with ministers, coronation ceremonies, and receptions of foreign envoys. Seonjeongjeon Hall is the ruler's council hall and the only structure remaining at Changdeokgung Palace with blue glazed roof tiles. The king's residence is Daejojeon Hall, while that for the queen is Daejojeon Hall.
내가 감히 누군지 알고 있다는 짓을 다시 만나면 감당할 수 있겠느냐?
백내 개라도 되라면 제가 되겠습니다.
야, 너 일로 와라! 지저전합시오. 같은 실수라도 하는 날에는 무슨 부지하기 힘들지.
뭐를 만든다고요?
고자!
안 돼요. 절대 못해요, 대신. 그쪽은 뭡니까? 뭐 여기 자연당에 산다는 귀신입니까?
내가 여인의 몸을 못 알아볼 것 같으냐? 진짜 뇌관이 맞소?
가짜 내관도 있답니까?
신체 검사를 실시하겠다. 이놈을 당장 의금부로 끌고 가라. 반갑다, 멍멍아.
Daejeon Hall was more than a royal bedroom. The king worked there informally as well. Nakseonjae Hall is the place where King Seongjong, 24th king of Joseon, built for the concubine that he really loved.
넌 꿈이 뭐냐? 그저 밤낮 없이 기침할 때는 엄니 아까 걱정 않는 거라 뭐 하나 더 꼽아도 된다면 혼기 꽉 찬 우리 고은이 혼수 푸짐하게 챙겨 시집 보내는 거 그거면 족할 것 같은데 녀석 따스한 그대 웃음도 함께한 많은 날들도 이제는 모두 지워내야 할 상처로 남겨져 있네요.
The Changdeokgung was loved more than any other palace by the kings of Joseon dynasty because of the spacious and beautiful garden at the back. Preserving the original topography, garden areas were planted in each valley and a series of lotus ponds were built. Small pavilions were also built along the stream that flows through the rear garden. Through this, the natural quality of this sacred garden has been enhanced. Although Injeongjeon Hall was built in the royal palace, its architectural structure and non-coloring style are close to those of gentry level. These unadorned buildings add to the special atmosphere of the rear garden. The sacred garden was intended as a place of kings and royal family members to relax, but it was also a venue for various outdoor activities. The early Joseon kings would join in the military exercises here, and archery contests were held, along with banquets for the Queen Dowager, prominent relatives of the king, and high-ranking ministers. The king sometimes tried his own hand at planting and raising grains here, and the queens would engage in sericulture. The secret garden takes up almost 60% of the entire area of Changdeokgung, and in the old days, even tigers would occasionally appear. The beautiful sights are hidden in a series of valleys, so the entire layout cannot be seen at once. One must walk down into each of these valleys to the pond and its pavilions in order to truly appreciate the beauty of the palace.
Explore the situation. 거기 있으면 안 돼요. And get ready to go gaga.
Shout out time! shout out to all the K-pop and K-drama fans out there, especially to the Philippines, to my friends and family, and to my co-teachers, my students who love K-drama. So I'm bringing you to the best palace in Korea. For me, the best, and because it's really near nature. And also shout out to all the people in the house, Mom, Lola Josie, Nanay Bangbang, Ate Yang Yang, Ate Sandy, Kuya Zeus, Ate Isa, Lola Nining, and Ate Yan Yan, and Daddy Peri. Hello! Please comment down below anything that you want to suggest to help improve our channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for my cameraman Khalid. This has been Joji Asawa saying, always remember that you are responsible for your own happiness. Annyeong!